Hey, what's up everyone? Let me hop on here and make a quick video about the original Keurig K-Cup. I think this is the OG Keurig machine that started it all. And this particular unit, I want to say, is about 10 years old, and it has not been needed to be replaced or serviced. It has just been working, which one of the things that I really like about this particular unit, and it does speak to the quality of the product. The whole outside here, I mean, it is your basic black. It's got the plastic casing on the side. And again, this is like being the original Keurig. This is where the K-Cups had gone in. How everyone here knows and loves. You can actually use this with looser tea, which is why the strainer is there. Use that for loose tea rather than the coffee pods there. They all do come with this. It's been a while since we picked this unit up, and I want to say this comes in the box. If not, it's a very simple add-on, but this will allow you to save money over buying all the K-Cups. You can use loose tea, you can use loose coffee, and that will absolutely save you some money. Now, overcoming here onto the side, you've actually got a number of mugs, a number of sizes here, so it will know exactly when to stop filling the cup that goes here. And then the water supply is on board. It only has to be filled, I want to say, that maybe every dozen cups or so. It's definitely a very efficient machine. It makes it super convenient in the morning. Now, to operate this, we've actually got our cup. We're going to do a quick demonstration. Put your cup down there, turn the unit on, make sure it's plugged in. It'll give it a second to kind of warm up, and then we're just going to use the small one for now, even though I've got a much larger cup there. But we will give it some time. It takes, I want to say, about 2 minutes to do this. So we're going to do this here, and then when you're... Now, I was a little impatient. You have to let it heat up first, and then once it heats up, I'm going to say it's about 2 minutes, and then you basically just select the size of the cup that you want. For instance, for the demonstration, we'll use the smallest cup. And I'll give you the smallest cup, and then it will dispense the hot water, just like that. It'll run it through the cup, so you can put tea, you can put loose coffee in there, or you can just, again, you can just leave that empty, use hot water, and then drop a tea bag in later. It's a very versatile machine, and then once it dispenses the hot water, you'll be good to go. Overall, it's a quality unit. It's very convenient to use, and again, I had a little bit of a patience issue making the video, but again, it takes about 2 minutes, and then you will have a nice hot cup of coffee or tea. Hey, real quick, if you like what you see in this video and you want to purchase one for yourself, I've left links to everything here in the description, and if you want more no-nonsense, no BS product reviews, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you don't miss one.